Hey guys, I'm Vasho from bestmusiccourses.com. If you are thinking about learning the piano at home or searching for online piano lessons, this video is for you. I'm going to walk you through one of the most popular piano learning app called Flowkey. It is very easy to use teaching software for beginners and intermediates. In this review you are going to find out what does Flowkey contain, how much does it cost, how to start with Flowkey, how does the learning process work, what can you expect from this app, what are the pros and cons, and finally my verdict. If you want to compare Flowkey with other piano apps like Scoof, Piano Marvel or Playground Session, scroll down to the description where you can find links for related video reviews. If you want to know more options for online piano education, I would like to invite you to the Best Music Courses website where you can browse several quality online lessons in different categories. Before we start, hit the subscribed icon and don't miss other reviews and videos that can be interesting for you. I think we are ready, so let's start. As you already know, Flowkey is a software solution for learning the piano. It is not only for learning but also for practicing and playing your favorite songs. It works on all platforms, PC, Mac and all iOS and Android devices. You can use a desktop version or download the app from the App Store or Google Play. Flowkey offers interactive courses teaching you piano basics and music theory and a wide library of songs to learn. Thanks to easy-to-use interface, it can be used not only by adults but also by teens and older children. Flowkey works with an acoustic piano or a digital keyboard with a USB or a MIDI connection. In the video description you can find a link for a Flowkey website where you can start a free account. It gives you limited access to courses and songs from the library. It is a great way how to try the app for free. Once you decide to unlock the premium account, you can choose between monthly, quarterly or annual subscription program. I think the price is very affordable, especially when paid annually. The pricing is similar to competitive products, but Flowkey also offers a lifetime option. At the beginning you will get some basic questions. Have you played the piano before? Do you have a piano? How would you like to start? After answering, you will be sent to a basic course for beginners. We will talk about particular courses later, but now, to make Flowkey work properly, you need to set up your instrument. It is a very easy process, everybody can do it very fast. When using an acoustic piano, click on the microphone. If you want to use a digital piano while learning, select MIDI or USB. One note, in case you are a Mac user and you use Safari, you'll be prompted to install Google Chrome. MIDI connection is not supported by Safari in this case. Now let's have a look at the main dashboard. As you can see, the dashboard offers a basic menu on the left side with Songs, Search, My Songs and Courses. Under the songs you can find more than 1000 songs of different genres and moods. You can filter them according to the skill level, beginners, intermediate, advanced and pro, and according to the several categories. Except for specific styles like pop hits, jazz, rock or classical music, there is also music from games or movies and TV. When you prefer selecting songs according to their character or mood, you can choose, for example, a category like happy, mellow or energetic. You can search for a specific song by typing the name of the song or author. If you want to create your library of songs you like and want to learn, it is also very easy. Just click the heart icon on the selected song, like you can see now. Before the courses overview, I'm gonna show you how does the learning process work. To demonstrate it, I'm gonna choose two songs, one from the beginner level and one from advanced library. Let's start with the famous song Hallelujah by Leonard Cohen. What I like about Flowkey is that you can listen to the song before you start practicing. Just click on the song and listen for a while. After clicking on Learn this song, you will see an interactive keyboard with hands, music notation and function buttons. What you can do here is first play the song. While listening, see the notation and notice the key signature and hand position. Then we have here two icons of right and left hand. When clicking, you can practice only with the selected hand or both hands together. Let's say I'm gonna play only the melody with the right hand. As you can see, I have three possibilities: wait mode and slow motion with 50% or 75% speed. Wait mode is used to practice a song without rhythm. Press play and start playing notes. If you play them correctly, the notation will move further and the play icon will turn green. When you make a mistake, the notation stops. This gives you time to correct yourself and find the right notes. You can also see them highlighted in color on the virtual keyboard. Now I can add the left hand and start from the beginning. Navigation in the song is very easy, just move to the left or to the right, or you can use this navigation bar. In the slow motion mode, the piano accompaniment will play at a slower speed. This type of practicing at slow tempo is part of every teaching method, so it's very good to have it here. I'm gonna try to practice a little bit in 75% speed. For even better learning the song, you can select parts you want to practice separately. You can do it by clicking the arrows icon and setting the required part of the song. This looper function is very useful and allows you to focus on the part of the song that is causing you problems. In addition to notes, you can also see words in the song, which will be appreciated especially by those who want to sing while playing. Now I try some song from the advanced level, for example Furelise from Beethoven. First I can listen to the song. Okay, now I try to practice with both hands in wait mode. And now I try from this place to practice in a half tempo. So as you can see, the practicing modes work very well and give you possibility to focus on the part of the song or a composition where you made mistakes. Flowkey contains step-by-step courses for beginners. In this video and interactive lessons you are going to learn piano basics like hand positioning, the right posture, the name of notes, clefs, scales, chords and key signatures. The basic theory and playing techniques are divided into 8 topics. Introduction to the piano, playing with both hands, intermediate piano playing, mastering chords, improvising with chords, music reading training, playing scales and playing scales too. I'm not going to show you all courses here, but to know how it looks like, let's open the first one, Introduction to the Piano. The course begins with an instructional video lessons about the orientation at the piano. You're gonna learn about the right posture and hand position, as well as the position of the tones. You're also gonna practice an exercise with right hand's fingers. First, you can watch and listen to the lesson, and then you practice playing the notes. If you want to know more about other courses, check out the written version of this review by clicking the link in the description of this video. For effective practicing, I recommend combining the theoretical course and playing the songs that meet your level. This way, you can improve the playing techniques while enjoying music you like. So guys, this is gonna be my summary of the suitability of Floki for different target groups. There are several ways on how to learn music online. Piano learning software like Floki is a solution especially attractive for beginners and slightly intermediate musicians. Thanks to a very easy to use interface, I recommend Floki to hobby pianists, for teenagers or adults who want to start learning the piano. The main focus of Floki is to teach you to play popular songs and famous music. For those who prefer classical music, there are, in my opinion, better options like Piano Marvel or Artist Works. Also, intermediate and advanced pianists can find better alternatives to this app. If you want to compare Flowkey with other online piano lessons, check out bestmusiccourses.com or follow this channel. Now I'm gonna tell you what I like about Flowkey and what I don't. The first great thing is the variability of styles. You can choose from 20 categories and make your own personal library. I also like how easy the learning goes. When you use all functionality like slow motion, practicing with right and left hand separately, and loop function, you can make a huge progress. Except for an attractive design of the application, I like how does it sound. The audio quality is good both for piano you play and the background piano. The function of selecting a part of the song to practice is also very useful. All these things in a combination with an affordable price make Flowkey a reasonable choice for beginning pianists. What I don't like is you can't see notes you play on the piano on the virtual keyboard. This is better made in other software like Scoof or Piano Marvel. I also miss other things like a metronome function, a possibility to set a volume ratio between your keyboard and the background sounds. And finally, the notation is not complete without dynamics, articulation and fingering, which is very needed for better playing. Flowkey can be a reasonable alternative to traditional piano lessons for beginners. The interface looks great and it is very easy to use. You can choose what you want to learn and the library tends more to popular genres. Overall, I give Flowkey 82%. I would recommend it especially for complete beginners, teen and adults, and hobby pianists who want to learn songs they like. On the contrary, I do not recommend it for more experienced pianists or those who prefer classical music. So guys, that was it. I hope you've got enough information for making your own picture of this software. So thanks for watching, have a nice day and see you in the next video.